Okay, guys, we are here once again with another powerful and a reliable strategy. This is a scalping strategy. So today I'm going to show you guys this a wonderful strategy on how you can scalp the boom and crash market. Okay, guys, like I always say, I'm always here to share the knowledge with you guys, because whenever I find out a reliable strategy like this, I just have to come here and share it with you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to scalp the boom and crash market. Probably pick up to 6 or 7 candlesticks, and today we're going to talk about not just how to scalp, but where to place your entry and where to take your profits. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, or you've been watching it before and you've not subscribed, I'd like you guys to subscribe to the channel and like the video, share the video, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you always get a new video whenever I drop it online. So guys, quickly before we start, I'd like you guys to check on the description page. You see a link to my Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group where I drop signals for your daily trading. I drop strategies and also talk about how we can make money on forex. And also you can talk to me directly on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link is there also. You can chat me directly if you have anything to discuss with me about. I run account management, and I run mentorship and signal, so you can talk to me directly if you want any of those services. So guys, so quickly before we start, the indicators we'll be needing for this video will be on our main chart, the moving average. On our indicator window 1, we'll have the relative strength index, we have the MACD and the Ichimoku. So the first indicator we want to add will be the moving average, and the moving average will have period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, the styles 3 pixel, color is blue, and done. So our second indicator will be on our indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index. Okay guys, the period is 14, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and the levels here will be level 90 and level 10, and it's done. So the next indicator we'll be adding will be the MACD. Okay, the MACD, the fast EMA is 13, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. The main is 4 pixel. I'm using a white background because I'm using a white color because my background is white. So if your background is black, make sure you use a black background. If your background is white, make sure you will use a white background. And the signal is 4 pixel, color black. Done. And the last indicator we'll be needing here will be the Ichimoku. Okay, the Ichimoku, the Chicken is 50, Kijun Sun is 1, Sekou Span B is 52, and this place leave it empty like that. The Chicken is 4 pixel, white. Like I said, if your background is white, use white color. If your background is black, use a black color. The Kijun Sun is 4 pixel and the color is red. The rest just leave it like that. If the color of your background, the color of your background is black, leave it black. The color of your background is white, leave it white. Then done. So guys, so after we might have finished installing our indicators, the next thing we want to do now is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so before we get into that, I would like to share with you guys the zoom level we will be needing for this strategy. The zoom level will be, what you just need to do is just zoom your screen to the highest zoom level, and when you do that, you just take one step back, and that will be our zoom level for the strategy. So guys, so after this has been done, the next thing we are going to do now is know when to buy and when to sell. But and a scalping strategy like this is not a kind of trade you stay for a longer time. It's just a scalping trade that you just pick 5 to 6 candlesticks and you go out of the market. You don't stay long. It's not a swing trade, so that's why it's scalping. It's a short trade. You just get in, pick your profits, and you leave the market. So first, where do we buy? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you wait. When you see your Ichimoku line, which is the red indicator you're seeing, the red line you're seeing here, when you see the Ichimoku line gets down to the level 10 here, and that will be after a spike, like a down spike. When you have this down spike that takes you down to the level 10, which is your overbought oversold level, sorry, the level 10 here, which is your oversold level. Okay, and once you see the Ichimoku line, which is this red line getting down to this level 10, your oversold level, okay, that's when you place your trade, you buy. And when you buy, you just pick 1 2 3 4 5. This, you can see it is just like 7 candlesticks. So when you pick these 7 candlesticks and you see this red line crossing the black line you're seeing here, and you look over your main chart, you see the candles crossing this blue line you're seeing here, that's will be your TP1. Okay guys, that will be your TP1. So your TP1 will be when you see this red line here crossing the black line, and you look over your main chart and you see the green candles here crossing over this blue line. That will be your TP1. And where will be your TP2? Your TP2 will be after this red line might have crossed this black line here without a spike. Then you place your entry from this level again, and this will be your TP2 when you see the red line here touching the black line again. Okay, so I think I have to start all over again so you can really understand what I mean. Okay, this is a scalping strategy, so all you just need to do is just pick 6 to 7 candlesticks and you close with profits. And since it's a scalping market, if you're on crash, what you do is you buy. If you're on boom, what you do is you sell. So now we are on crash, so what we will do now is to buy. And when do we buy? We buy when this market gets to the oversold level, which is the level 10 here, and that happens when there is a spike, like a down spike, taking you down to the level 10, which is the oversold level. So when that happens, you place your trade, you buy. And when you buy, you pick your 6 to 7 candlesticks, and the moment you see the candlestick crossing the blue line you're seeing here, and you look over your indicator window 1, you see the red line here crossing this black line, that will be your take profit 1. You take your profit. And when the line crosses the black line and you seems to get no spike, you can now place your trade again, and your TP2 will be when the red line crosses the black line, as you're seeing here too. That will be your TP2. So guys, it's very simple guys. It's just for you to follow the strategy the same way I did that. You put the settings correctly, make sure you make no mistakes, so everything will come out perfect the way it's working right now. So guys, that's it. So I'm going to go over to boom to show you guys how this work on boom also. It's just the same thing guys, it's just that it's on the reverse side, okay, the opposite ways, but it's just the same thing. So on boom, what do you do on boom? You sell, since it's a scalping strategy. So when you're on boom, all you do is sell. And when do you sell? When you're on boom, when you sell is when you look at your indicator window 2, okay, and you see the red line here, which is your Ichimoku line, the red line here hitting the level 90 here, which is the overbought level. Okay, the moment you see the red line here touching this level 90, which is the overbought level, okay, that will be your entry. Okay, and you sell. So when you sell, you just pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candlesticks, and when you pick the 7 candlesticks and you see the market crossing the blue line like this, that is your TP. You close from there, you take your profit and you close from there. And the same thing happens here. Okay, you see the red line crossing this black line here. This is your TP on your indicator window 1, and this is your TP on your main chart. And when that is done and you see the market crossing the blue line like this without having a spike, that is when you can place your second entry for your third profit too. And when you do that, when you see the line getting to the black line here like this again, that is where you close your trade. That is your TP2. So guys, as you can see, the strategy is just very simple, but it's very powerful and reliable. So all you just have to do is just follow the right indicators and the right settings. Just set everything the way I did that, and I promise you, you're going to make money for yourself. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave some sweet comments, and turn on your notification to always get new videos from me whenever I post them online. So thanks guys for watching. See you some other time. Bye.